Okay, so as I was saying, here is this website. I'll take you back to it that has immigrant cartoons. So these are good cartoons you can use if you want to describe a cartoon from back at the turn of the 20th century. Again, there's 10 of them here. So my advice to you is to pick a cartoon that makes sense to you. So if you look at one of these cartoons and it doesn't make sense, look at another one uh, to one that makes sense. Don't analyze a cartoon that you find too difficult to analyze. Analyze a cartoon that makes sense to you. So if one doesn't make sense, try to find another one. And with these, you can click on it, and then if you drag it to your desktop, and then you go to your Google Doc, you can just import it to your doc, and there is the cartoon. So you'd import the cartoon like that on your Google Doc, and then you would answer the questions. Question one, right? Whatever your answer is. Question two, whatever your answer is. Three, four, five, etc. Okay, so that's how I want you kind of to format the assignment. I also have in the resource page here, I have a Google search, immigration political cartoons of the 1900s. So there's a lot of different cartoons here, more of them. Again, click on them. What I would suggest is if you go to these websites, like I'm just picking this one at random, but if you go to this website at random, and you like a cartoon, try to do what I did before, drag it, and then a lot of times you can just put that back on the document. You can drag it back. That works. That's the best way to do it. If for some reason you're unable to do that, what you can do is you can just copy the website, and then on the doc, you can just, for here, for example, let's get rid of this. Let's say that didn't work. You can insert a link, right? Insert a link. You can put the link right here, and you can put cartoon number one, and there's your link right there. And then I can access that so I can see what cartoon you're looking at. So that's how you want you to put your cartoons on there. Also on the resource page, I have put this. I have given you a, where did I put it? Well, maybe I didn't. I'm gonna put it. If I am not, perhaps let me refresh this and see if I thought that I did it. I will put it on here, but it's basically a Google search for immigration in 2020. So again, these are current immigration political cartoons. So you did one for one that was at the turn of the 20th century. Now I want you to do one that is today, or within the last 5 to 10 years. So again, pick a cartoon. Again, there's lots to choose from. This is just a Google search. If you have another place to look for them, go for it. This is just to help you out a little bit. If it's helpful at all, click one. Again, if you're able to drag it and then paste it onto the Google Doc like such, awesome. And then answer the questions. If you're unable to do that, then you can just give me the link. And again, you're answering the questions about this cartoon. And then question five is comparing the cartoons. What similar messages do they have? Different messages. Basically, again, just kind of your analysis of political cartoons and immigration attitudes about 150 years ago and today. All right, that's your assignment. If you have any questions about that, by all means, just let me know. Have some fun with it. Again, I want to emphasize as well, if you're doing your own political cartoons, what you could do, you could create your cartoon on a printer piece of paper. And then what I would ask you to do is maybe scan it. And then you can just download it as a PDF file and upload that to the assignment. If that is proving too difficult and you are doing a drawing, you can just hand them in, and I can just make comments on the back and get them back to you if you do it by the due date. Okay, so that's how I want you to do your assignment. Again, if there's any further questions, by all means, let me know. Have some fun with it. Good luck, and yeah, look forward to see what you have to say.